All right, what is up, all you beautiful, beautiful funnel hackers? In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you some updates that are completely change the game of how we run funnel hacker labs, guys. As you can tell by my voice, I'm excited. So let's get straight into the video because we made some crazy updates, guys, and I want to tell you about it. So over here, as you can see, guys, it's normal everything, guys. Normal site. You've seen this before. All right. When you go to account over here, you'll now be able to see your account, guys. You can change your password from here. You can manage your subscription. You can check out your payments over here. And if you want to cancel your subscription for whatever reason, cancel right from there. Just a click of a button. Makes it super simple. Right now, mine says $1 a month. I have the admin. Yours doesn't say this, so it doesn't have this on top of it. It's because I'm the one that owns Funnel Hacker Labs. I'm the admin, so I have this, and I don't even know why it's charging me $1. I don't think it is, but whatever. All right, but next thing. Here we go. So the records, guys. The records. All right. So guys, whenever you clone a, oh, I'm logging. Let me pause my login real quick. This is embarrassing. Oh no. All right, so I just logged in. And so guys, pretty much what this records are is whenever you clone a funnel, whenever you copy a funnel and you paste it, whenever you just hit this button on a ClickFunnels landing page or funnel page, that record is going to be instantly put onto here. So as you can see, the latest pages that I've cloned is like this. Okay, so it just shows all your records on here, just that you can look back on it. If you wanted to copy one of them, if you wanted to reuse something whenever you wanted to, you can always just go back and choose them. I gotta log in there. Just to make it simple on you guys, so you guys can always have this here. Pretty cool, right? Next thing, I mean, you guys already know we had the funnel library, but nothing really changed on the actual funnel library. A couple of things, as you can see right now, it is taking a bit to load up. So we're going to be working on implementing a couple of different features or different modifications / upgrades so that this can actually load a lot better. It's just that all of the information is hosted on a server, and this website needs to record information on the server, which takes it back here. And there's just a lot of different pictures here that's constantly loading up. A couple of things that we've done is we've added a couple more funnels. We've done a bunch more real estate, spa, solar, insurance, contracting. We did a bunch of them. Okay, pretty much the updates. Next thing over here, cool thing is design on demand. Now I love this part over here. I think this is actually very, very helpful, and I love this. So when you submit your survey over here, as you guys already know, you submit a survey to request a funnel to be made on demand. We usually have a typical 24 to a 48-hour turnaround time on that. It's like 24 hours or less. So now we're really pretty quick in this, and we pride ourselves in doing so. All you got to do is type in your name, email, and niche that you can be templated in, describing specifics, example URL that should be modeled off of. What is your Facebook profile so you can tag in the group? Another button over here is keep me updated. So now what we're going to do is you're going to click on this, and what you're going to be able to do is you're going to be able to directly talk on Facebook Messenger with the person that is designing your funnels. So how this is going to work is, let's say they finished up the funnel. You're going to take a picture of that or a video, whatever. They're going to send it over to your messenger because you gave us the Facebook profile URL right there, because so we can correspond and like make sure we know whose funnels is who. But we're going to be able to now take that funnel, send it to you. You're going to give us some revisions if you want to, or improve it, and then we'll do the final things of posting on the funnel library and posting a preview on the Facebook group. But what this allows us to do is allows you, the user, to communicate directly with the designer, and you guys can communicate directly to make revisions depending on what the user wants to do, just to make it simple, just make a one-stop place that, hey, I need to make this correction, you need to change out this, please fix this, change this color to this, whatever, so that it's just a lot easier and the results come out a lot better when you actually receive the final template. That's what I'm trying to say. Design assets plus trainings. I mean, that's the same thing as before. You have a bunch of design assets over here, and then you have the trainings. Pretty simple, right? Make money. Ooh. Now, this is my favorite part, guys. Boys and girls, here we go. My favorite part. So now this is crazy, guys. Now what we're able to do is we can create an affiliate link for you. All you're going to do is copy that, and bam, you instantly have your own affiliate link right there. And now what this is allowing you to do is you're allowed to earn 30% commission on all your sales, guys. So right now, I mean, this is 10% because it's mine. I was just testing some things out. We're testing out if we can change the stuff, and we're just testing stuff out. Pretty much what I'm trying to say. But for admins like me and other people that are on my team, it's typically gonna be 10%, but it doesn't really matter to you. What you're gonna have is you're gonna have 30%. You're gonna have a 30% commission rate, and all you need to do is you need to share that link, guys. What we're going to be doing pretty soon is under the links and banners section over here, I'm going to be adding a bunch of different banners, a bunch of different just copy, just pictures and things that's going to allow you to help you show off Funnel Hacker Labs. Okay. So you go over here in the banners, give me like a week. I'm working on compiling all of the banners, images, and copies and stuff like that. And you'll be able to see it on there soon. You can show your account over here. Right here, you type in your PayPal email so you can get direct deposits. Payments over here. Current balance, mine's $6.70. It says $6.70, which was testing out the 10% affiliate link with me. Okay, and that's why I said $6. But yeah, so it's pretty simple, guys. You're going to receive 30%. I know it says 10%, like I said, but you're going to receive 30% commission for showing this off to other people. Okay. And I'm going to give out in the future, I'm going to give out a lot more bonuses, not only just 30%. I'm going to give out a lot more to the top income performers. Okay. But I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope this quick update was good and sufficient to help you understand what's going on with Funnel Hacker Labs. What we're currently working on right now, guys, drum roll, please. What we're currently working on now for the future is working on a heat map, a way for you to plug in a little pixel onto your funnel page, regardless on whatever it is on ClickFunnels or Go High Level. You plug in this little pixel and you're actually able to pinpoint exactly where people are spending the most time on your page and where people are dropping off. Okay, so they scroll down the page, you see a video, and let's say an average of 67% of the visitors drop off while they're hovering on the video. Obviously, there's some friction being created on the video, so you got to change up the video. That's what the heat map's going to do. Next thing that we have is the Frontal Planner tool. The Frontal Planner tool, pretty much what it's going to be, is it's going to allow you to create a flow system, flow diagram that allows you to just have a entire view of your entire marketing efforts. It can show where the traffic is coming from, shows you many different funnels, your retargeting pages. You want to learn more about that? Actually, I do have another video called Future of Funnel Hacker Labs, so you can check it out and go a lot more into detail about what that is. In addition to that, it's also going to have a AI tracking system as well, integrated onto that as well, to help you make better decisions on what ads you need to boost, what ads you need to increase the ad spend, and what ads you just need to cut off, So once again, I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, guys, to your success. I can't wait for you guys to be the best that you guys can be. I can't wait for you guys to just give me more feedback on how we can improve our software. And I can't wait for you guys to make a ton of money, guys. All right. And give us an extra testimonial. Thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you all later. Peace out, guys. Enjoy. See you at the top.